PVM IT Consulting presents the LexisNexis Accurate Helper. The Accurate Helper is a seamless integration providing access to over 37 billion public records housed within the LexisNexis database and the Palantir data engine. It provides the Intel community and law enforcement community the ability to run background searches, generate comprehensive reports, and select LexisNexis data from the comprehensive report and import it directly into the Palantir workspace in an easy-to-use way. PVM has dramatically improved the analyst workflow. Before, the analyst had to go through 5 separate steps and 2 applications. Now the analyst has 2 simple steps all within 1 application. It's a seamless integration for them.
As the technical lead on the LexisNexis Accurate Helper project, I and the PVM team's design goals were really just to simplify the analyst workflow. For an example scenario, we have a field agent who has spotted a vehicle in Los Angeles that has been associated with a person of interest that we already know about. This vehicle has Florida license plate, and that's the only information that we have. So we want to use the Accurate Helper to go see if we can discover any more information about the person this vehicle belongs to and any linkages he may have with our person of interest. So the first thing we do is we use the Accurate Helper and we plug in the license plate number and run a search on that license plate. Our search returns the vehicle who it's registered to, which is a Joe Smith, and the address where Joe Smith lives. So we take that information and put it into Palantir. From there, we can drag Joe onto an advanced person search and perform a more in-depth search for Joe Smith using the Accurate Helper's comprehensive report functionality. And the first thing we do is we import all of that information into Palantir and display it on the graph. And that display really explodes in this wealth of information that's hard to navigate for the analyst. So what you can do now with the Accurate Helper is really control what's being displayed on the graph by just selecting the subject first, Joe Smith, and then start building out those linkages that Accurate returned to us so that we could start building up our knowledge of Joe incrementally. Time is everything in the analyst workflow. So that's from 10 minutes of searching down to about 30 seconds of searching.
Bringing data into a data engine just makes sense. Engineering it so that it is a superior IT solution is what PVM is all about. We take pride in supporting other people's mission through our own. And the Accurate Helper is a perfect example of that. We are supporting the local law enforcement community by engineering a superior IT solution.